Very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay. In last class, we discussed about time addition and subtraction. Okay. In today's class, we will discuss about telling time only. Okay. Once again, I am going to explain telling time. Okay. B. Manisha. Sit properly, Amma. Bakuri Manisha. Sit right. On your videos, Umesh, Charan Teja, Rapol Bharat, Naimatullah. Chennoj Bhavana, Shrutik. On your videos. Get up from there first. Sit here. Chaman, you sit here. Okay, first of all, we have to learn in telling time. First, days of the week, months of the year. You know very well, days of the week, 7 days are there in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These are days of the week. Next, months of the year. 12 months are there in a year. 12 months are there in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay. You must learn these spellings, children. Okay. Days of the week and months of the year. And which month having days, number of days. Which month having how many days in that month. How can we know? How can we find out? Yes, knuckle system. We can find out, we can identify with knuckle system. Your knuckle system, higher places are there and lower places are there. Higher places are 31 days. Okay, higher places are represent 31 days and lower places are represent 30 days. So January have 31 days and February has 28 or 29 days. February has 28 or every year having 28 days only. But for every 4 years having February 29 days. 29 days. So that year is called leap year. In leap year, February has 29 days. That leap year will come every 4 years. Okay, next March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, next August also 31 days, September 30 days and October 31 days, November 30 days and December 30 days. We can find out, we can identify with knuckle system. Okay, in every year having days 365 days, but in leap year having 366 days, because in leap year February has 29 days. Okay, and next write down this one. 1 year equal 365 or 366 days. Okay, 365 days and leap year. What? Once again, right? 366 days. In leap year, February has 29 days. leap year February has? 29 days. This leap year for every 4 years will come. Okay, that year is called leap year. In leap year, February has 29 days. In general year has 365 days. In leap year has 366 days. Next, 1 week equals 7 days. You know very well, days of the week. Okay. Next, in your running notes, Amma, take out the running notes and textbook. I already said. Wait. Open the door. Next, 1 month equals 30 or 31 days. Okay. With Knuckle system, we can find out which month having with how many days we can say. Okay, with Knuckle system. Next, 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 day equals 24 hours. From midnight to afternoon 12 o'clock. From midnight 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, we are having 12 hours. Next, from afternoon 12 o'clock to up to midnight 12 o'clock, we have 12 hours. So, total 24 hours. 24 hours. Okay. From midnight from 12 o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock, we have to say anti-meridian time, that is AM. From midnight. o'clock to afternoon 12 o'clock. In middle of the time, we have to say in anti-meridian time. Anti-meridian. In short form, that is AM. Okay, next from afternoon 12 o'clock. From afternoon 12 o'clock to up to midnight 12 o'clock, we have to say in post-meridian time. That is, short form is PM. O'clock, this is O. 12 o'clock. Listen, it's 12 time. Midnight. I have to say in post meridian. PM. Okay, PM. Up to 12 o'clock means 11:59. Morning 11:59. Morning 11:59. That is AM only. Anti-meridian time. Okay, next 12 o'clock. We will say in post-meridian time. That is PM. Complete this one. Here, not sufficient place. Once again, I will write on here. meridian. That is AM. Next, post meridian. That is PM. After explanation, I will clarify your doubts, Amma, first. Those who have doubts, last 5 minutes I will ask you. Then you ask your doubts and I will clarify your doubts. Okay, Leela Varsha and Harika and Havish, I think. Board is not correctly. Here it is perfectly, Amma. Once you log out and log in. Once you log out and log in. Morning 8:30. We have to say anti-meridian time. That is 8:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 11:59 a.m. That is morning time. Next, from 12 o'clock, 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m. afternoon, 1:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m. That is afternoon. From afternoon to night, we have to say post-meridian time. From morning, early morning to up to afternoon, we have to say anti-meridian time. Okay. Next, 1 day equals 24 hours. Next, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Yes, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Time we are measuring in hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, time we are measuring in hours, minutes, and seconds. Yes, why what happening, ma? Anti-meridian time, ANTI. Here clearly is there, na? Next, 1 minute equals 60 seconds. One minute equals 60 seconds. Come fast. Yes, 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Here hours is higher unit and minutes and seconds are lower units. From hours to, when we convert from hours to minutes, multiply by 60. Okay, multiply by 60. From minutes to, when we convert from minutes to seconds, we have to multiply by 60. Next, from days, when we convert from days to hours, multiply by 24. Okay, in this chapter already we did completed. These topics are completed, but once we will revise that one only. Why? Because we are telling time is very important chapter and time is very precious in your life. That's it. Next now, how to see time and how to show time. Okay, how to see time and how to write time and how to see time, how to show time also. In this class, on face of the clock, 12 numbers. On a dial, 12 numbers are there. These 12 numbers, 12 opposite 6 and 3 opposite 9. Remaining numbers. Every two numbers in middle, 5 minutes difference, 5 minutes are there. Once we have to observe from 12 to 1 here, 5 minutes difference is there. And next from 1 to 2, 5 minutes difference. And 2 to 3, 5 minutes. So once you count minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay? Yes. You already observed, I think, in your houses having clocks. And clock, like 12 numbers having, and 3 hands are there. Yes, is it correct or not? 3 hands. These 3 hands, one is a short hand and one is a long hand, and one more long hand also is there. And first one, short hand is indicate hours. Okay, short hand is indicate hours. Not clear. We open them. So open them to class clearly, na? Okay, shorthand indicates hours. About hours. Okay, shorthand indicates hours, and next longhand indicates, that is shorthand. Next minutes. Next one more hand, that is seconds. Okay, here anti-meridian and post-meridian, 1 hour equals 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. On clock, on the dial of clock, 12 numbers are there. In that numbers and 3 hands also having. In 3 hands it indicates one of the short hand is indicate hours and long hand indicate minutes, and next one more hand is there here. So this hand is indicate seconds. Your second hand is moving very fastly, and one more long hand, minutes hand is moving some slowly, but next short hand is moving very slowly. Okay, note down. Now here what I said, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Now what is the time in this clock? Now what is the time? 3 o'clock. Yes, 3 o'clock. How can we write 3 o'clock? Again, I will draw one more clock. Now what is the time? Shorthand, where is it? Once you observe, at 4 is there. Okay, at 4 is there. That is hours hand. So 4 hours. Next, minute hand, where is it? 6. So what is the time? 6. 5 is 30. From 12 to once you count minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You know what? What is the time? 4:30. We have to write here 4:30 and 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half past, half an hour. How can we say half an hour also we have to say. So half past 4 o'clock. Half past 4 and 30 minutes to 5 o'clock. How many minutes are there next time? Next to 5 o'clock. 30 minutes are there. So 12, 24. Half past 4 and 30 minutes to 5 o'clock. 30 minutes to 5. Okay, now what is your doubt? Once you raise your hand, Amma, those who have doubts. First, Kacham Harika. Unmute yourself.
Board not clear, teacher.
Here it is clear, Amma.
Teacher, I'm tomorrow command exam, right, teacher?
Okay. Okay, next. Next. Who have doubt? Raise your hand. Before some are children raised a hand. Board is not clear, that is not doubt. Here it is clear only. Next. Adnan, what is your doubt, Nana? Once unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, boy. Adnan. No doubt. Okay. Next. I think Ela Varsha also asked doubt. Ela Varsha. Unmute yourself. Do you have doubt? No doubt. No doubt. Okay. Okay, here on clock, short hand is indicate hours and long hand is indicate minutes and one more hand is indicate seconds. Next, now what is the time here? 4:30. Half past 4 means half means 30 minutes completed. So that's why we have to write half past 4 and next 30 minutes to 5. Next 5 o'clock. Next to 5 o'clock, how many minutes are there? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes to 5. Next. Same in this class only, how to show time. Now we are giving here time. But how to show time? Now I am writing here time. Seven 25. This 7:25, how to show in clock? 7:25. 7 is indicate what first of all? 7 is indicate hours. Yes, we have to draw first shorthand at 7 o'clock. At 7 o'clock. And next 25 minutes. Okay, 25 minutes. minutes. From 12 to count 25 minutes. From 12 to 1, 5 minutes. Next 1 to 2, 5 minutes. So total 10 minutes. Next 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Next 25 minutes. Now where will we draw long hand at 5? That is minutes hand. This is seconds hand. Okay, now what is the time? 7:25. 7:25. Next, one more method also have. How can we write? 25 minutes past 7. In this way also we can write 25 minutes past 7. Next, how many minutes are there to 8 o'clock? Yes, 35 minutes to 8 o'clock. To 8 o'clock. Okay? Introduction of time, and in previous classes we discussed about time addition and subtraction and how to convert from minutes to hours and hours to minutes and minutes to seconds. Okay, these topics about telling time I explained. And now Kamampati Umesh, unmute yourself.
Teacher, tomorrow coming exam, right, teacher?
Yes, okay, as your wish. Once you learn what I explained in today's class, you learn that one. Okay? That is only homework for you. Now I am going to conclude this class. I hope you understand, Amma. Okay. Thank you, everyone.